Hey there, fellow adventurers and road warriors. Are you ready to explore the wildest, most luxurious, and most powerful RVs and off-road vehicles out there? Whether you're looking for your next big road trip companion or just dreaming of life on the move, we've got 20 jaw-dropping vehicles to showcase today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting vehicle roundups like this. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Maverick Viñales MV12. Let's start off with something truly extravagant. The personal motorhome of MotoGP star Maverick Viñales. The MV12 is a two-story luxurious mobile mansion. With cutting-edge technology, solar-powered energy, and a sleek design, this RV is as impressive as Viñales' track record. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is no ordinary electric pickup. With its tough stainless steel exoskeleton and a towing capacity of 14,000 pounds, it's built for both strength and adventure. Plus, it's eco-friendly with an all-electric range of up to 340 miles. Whether you're off-roading or cruising the city, this truck is ready for anything. Himar Venture S. For those craving a mix of loft-style living and rugged adventure, the Himar Venture S has you covered. This high-end RV features a pop-up roof, panoramic views, and even a back parlor with a staircase. It's perfect for anyone looking to explore the outdoors without sacrificing luxury. Greyhawk XL. Looking for power and comfort in one package? The 2024 Greyhawk XL motorhome is built on a Ford F550 chassis, featuring a turbo diesel V8 engine that can handle tough terrains. Inside, it's all about luxury, with a fully equipped kitchen, cozy living area, and even smart suspension for a smooth ride. Nomad Pro Canter. For digital nomads, the Mitsubishi Fuso Nomad Pro Canter is a dream come true. This mobile office and living space has everything you need to work and relax while on the road. It's sturdy, versatile, and affordable, starting at just $7,700, making it perfect for life on the go. Airstream Bambi. The Airstream Bambi is a lightweight travel trailer designed for simplicity and style. With its classic aluminum design, it offers a fully equipped kitchen, sleeping space, and a comfortable living area. Ideal for first-time trailer buyers who want mobility without sacrificing comfort. Living Vehicle HD30. The Living Vehicle. HD30 is an off-grid masterpiece. Completely solar-powered, this luxurious RV is built for long-term adventures. With its private deck and electric-powered systems, you can live sustainably while traveling anywhere your heart desires. Prevost H345. The Prevost H345 VIP is the king of luxury motorhomes. Equipped with a Volvo D13 engine, this coach delivers a smooth, fuel-efficient ride. Inside, you'll find premium finishes, plenty of storage, and a power management system that maximizes electricity use. Tabert Cellini 750 Haitian Gourds. This European luxury caravan is all about elegance and function. The Tabert Cellini 750 HTD comes with solar panels, dual-axle suspension, and spacious interiors. Whether parked by the seaside or cruising through the countryside, this caravan delivers comfort and class. Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror. T. Need an RV that can conquer any terrain? The Mercedes Armadillo Conqueror T is your go-to. With its powerful 578 horsepower engine and rugged off-road tires, this beast of a vehicle can handle even the toughest landscapes. And the best part? It doesn't skimp on luxury inside, offering plush interiors and smart technology. Morello Grand Empire 26T. Weighing 26 tons and powered by a 530 horsepower engine, the Morello Grand Empire 26T is all about high-end, off-road luxury. Built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis, this motorhome is designed for those who crave adventure without giving up comfort. Adria Sonic Supreme. The Adria Sonic Supreme is perfect for those who want to take long, luxurious road trips. Available in 3 layouts, This camper van offers a spacious interior with high-end fittings, a powerful engine, and enough room for up to 5 people. Renegade Valencia 38 BB. This Class C diesel motorhome is a family-friendly favorite. The Renegade Valencia 38 BB can comfortably sleep up to 10 people thanks to its spacious floor plan with bunk beds, a king-sized bed, and a cozy living area. It's perfect for big family road trips. Granite Ridge Class C. For those who love venturing off the beaten path, the 2024 Granite Ridge Class C RV is adventure-ready. Built on a Ford Transit AWD frame, it features all-terrain tires, plenty of storage space, and a comfortable interior for long journeys. Q Mobile Home. The Q Mobile Home is a compact, eco-friendly unit that packs a lot of style into a small space. With retractable rooms, a comfortable living area, and energy-efficient insulation, this mobile home is ideal for those looking for a sustainable living solution. Movo Giant XL. This one's for the event planners. The Movo Giant XL transforms from a transport container into a 3-deck hospitality venue in just 3 hours. Perfect for hosting events on the go, it offers high-tech features like LED lighting and climate control. 4 Travel Motor Coach IH45. The IH45 Motor Coach is a luxury RV designed for comfort and performance. Its single-story layout makes moving around easy, while its travel ride chassis ensures a smooth, stable ride. With modern technology and classic interiors, it's perfect for long trips. Earth Roamer 15 LTS. If off-grid, off-road luxury is your style, the Earth Roamer 15 LTS is your ultimate adventure vehicle. Built on a Ford F550 chassis, this RV uses solar power to keep you going, even in the most remote locations. Plus, it has a high-tech interior that transforms for extra sleeping space. Newmar King Aire. The Newmar King Aire 2024 is a luxury motor coach like no other. With a Cummins X diesel engine delivering 605 horsepower, this RV is built for both power and style. It offers custom interiors and a stunning full-paint exterior, making it one of the most elegant RVs on the market. Granite Ridge Class C. Last but definitely not least, we've got another Granite Ridge Class C RV for the off-road enthusiasts. This model is designed with off-grid adventurers in mind, featuring high-end all-terrain capabilities, large storage capacity, and a layout perfect for long trips.